My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2022 Mini Hatch. This vehicle has done just under 48,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control, automatic wipers and automatic headlights. On our screen we can access our media and radio, communication, My Mini, Mini Connected and notifications. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with rear parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. We can also switch between our sport mode, mid mode and green. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.